The next set of assumptions that we're going to challenge are the indirect costs. And you can see that we've endeavored to keep this relatively simple. The indirect costs are listed as wages, other indirect costs, depreciation and interest. We've separated them that way because they behave differently in the calculations of the software. On the left-hand side, you can see that it tells us how much we've spent in each of those areas in the most recent current month. In this instance, that is February 19. You can also see that underneath each column it tells you what the value for that item is for the equivalent month the prior year. When you first come into indirect costs, the software will default to leave the numbers at the same level as the most recent actual month, but you can then update those numbers either by adjusting the percentage, and you can do this by month, or you can adjust an individual month's actual value. And what will happen is each time you adjust the value, the software will reflect that value from then on until such time as you change it again. So if you think an increase was a one-off increase that is then going to drop down again, you could then reduce the value going forward as such. Once you've completed your assumptions, you accept and save, and those assumptions are then reflected back into the forecast assumptions.